Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Adeline. You share your screen, please.
Okay.
Today we are going to help you to install Python, okay?
Okay.
This Python is very useful, especially if you want to do data science and AI. This one will help, okay? It will help your summer research.
Okay.
So let me see. Let me get the browser. Okay, this one we are going to type Python. Okay, we are going to do python.org. We will do download and then all release. And we are going to pick this 3.12.3 and then move down. Your is Macintosh, right? So Macintosh will use Mac 64-bit universal installer. So this one, okay. And then we are going to, okay, wait for it. Okay, once it's done, let's pick this one. It say what? Installer, okay. And then this one, a lot of things is the license. So continue. History, continue. Agree. Wait, let me see. You need to use your password. You have to know your password. I cannot help you. Okay, you got idle here. So let's click your idle. Allow. Okay, so this one is a Python. So you type A equals 3, B equals 4, and then print A plus B. You got 7, so your Python is working. Any question?
Okay.
So every time
No.
you come to this application Python 3.12, okay, you will get this idle. You can start from here. So this one, okay, we're going to close. Keeping. We're going to we are going to wait. So can you give me a terminal?
Wait. What? How do I do that?
You start terminal. Terminal is where you this one that's called terminal. So terminal content, terminal name, container, terminal setting, terminal script. Let me see. I seldom do this. So let's see. Let's actually go to here. So here let's do how to get Mac terminal. So click laptop, left pad on the dock, type terminal in search field. Can you do that?
Yeah.
I don't know what is launcher because I don't use a Mac every day.
Wait, hold on.
Mm-hmm. So it's also okay. You start from application and you go to utility. Where is the utility? Go to
Wait.
utility, and then
Okay, yeah.
here you have terminal. Okay, this is another way to get terminal. So you got terminal, and we do Python 3 -m pip install, and then we do pillow, we do piglet, we do Python. Okay, so Python 3 -m pip install. Again, this one numpy scipy meta plot lib 3 software. Again, Python 3 -m, and then this one IPython, and then this one Jupyter, and then pandas, and then nose, and then simpy. This one what happened? Python 3. Oh, one more time. Python 3 -m pip install IPython, and then Jupyter, and then nose, and then pandas, and then simpy. Go. Okay, you're done.
Quiet.
Okay, one moment. Let's go to here. This one is type Visual Studio Code. Let's get this one. This one we're going to download the Macintosh version. This one we are going to run this one. Okay, you got Visual Studio Code in download. Let's run it. Open. Okay, you got Visual Studio Code now. So we are going to close. We are going to do File, Open folder. So you have idle line, you have share. Let's do idle line. Under idle line, let's create something called Python. Under Python, let's create another one. This one called PyDev, Python development. Under Python development, let's create one that's called test folder. And we are going to use this test folder. So inside this test folder, we are going to write a program. This one, let's call it test GUI.py. So right here, it said that Python extension, yes, with install. Okay, it's done. So this one, let's try this one. We close this one. We close this one. We come here. We close this one. Let's call code runner. Let's get code runner. Oh, you already had a code runner. So let's go to here. Get this one. Let's do run PyLab import start A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. An array. B equals 1, 2, 4, 8. Another array. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's do figure. Let's do show. Between figure and show, let's do plot A, comma, B. Okay, this one I'm going to do file and do save all. And I'm going to do right click, run code. Oh, Python not found. You have to use Python 3. So let's do this. Let's use terminal. Here, let's do Python 3 instead of Python, and then do test GUI.py. Go. It's come with your numerical package. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Your Python is installed correctly. No problem now.
Okay.
Good night,
Thank
then. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.